People are making thousands and millions of dollars on YouTube from day one without even getting monetized. So here is something that will blow your mind. While you are over here waiting to hit 1000 subscribers and praying to the YouTube gods for monetization, there are people like this guy named Nate who made $677 from his very first video in 2 hours. Yeah, you heard that right. His first video before he even had a proper subscriber count. And then there's Solom, who was pulling in $10,000 months with less than 1000 subscribers. Meanwhile, Jeffrey was consistently hitting $10,000 months with under 700 subscribers, and now he's made millions from his channel. So what's the secret sauce these people know that 99% of creators are completely missing? Look, here's the brutal truth. Most creators are stuck in what is called the publish and pray method. They are out here making random videos about their morning coffee, their cat's latest adventure, and wondering why the algorithm isn't blessing them with riches. But here's what's actually happening. While everyone's chasing viral dance moves and hoping Mr. Beast notices them, smart creators are treating YouTube like what it actually is, the second largest search engine in the world. Think about it. 3 billion people every single day are typing things like how to fix my relationship, how to train my dog, how to finally stop procrastinating. They are not just browsing for entertainment, they are actively looking for solutions. And this is where it gets interesting. These successful creators figure out the cheat code. Instead of waiting for the algorithm to pick them, they position themselves to be found by people who are already looking to pay for help. See, everyone thinks you need millions of views to make money. Wrong. You need the right views. One targeted view can literally equal one paying client for a business. Let me paint you a picture. There is this dude I mentioned at the beginning of this video teaching people how to pass accounting exams. Sounds boring, right? Well, his first video made him nearly $700 in 2 hours because he understood something crucial. People desperately need to pass these exams, and they'll pay good money for someone who can help them do it. He wasn't trying to entertain the masses. He was solving a specific problem for a specific group of people who had their wallets ready. Here's why most creators are stuck in the hamster wheel. They are playing the wrong game entirely. They are creating random content, hoping something sticks, getting disappointed when it doesn't, then creating more random content. It's like throwing spaghetti at a wall and wondering why your kitchen is a mess. Meanwhile, a recent study showed that 48% of content creators are burnt out and making less than $1,000 a month, even though they are grinding their faces off trying to hit those partner program requirements. But what if I told you there's a way to skip all that drama and start making money from day one? Not waiting for 1000 subscribers, no begging for brand deals, and no praying for the algorithm to notice you. The secret is treating yourself like the expert you already are and packaging your knowledge into something people actually want to buy. Here's the formula. Pick something you know well. Create content that helps people with that specific thing. Build trust by consistently showing up with value. Then offer a deeper solution like a course, coaching, or consulting for people who want to go further. It's not rocket science, but it works like crazy when done right. Take that German teacher I mentioned. She wasn't waiting around for AdSense pennies. She was teaching German to people who actually needed to learn German. And guess what? Those people were more than happy to pay for structured lessons and courses. The beauty of this approach is that you are not at the mercy of the algorithm. You are building a real business with real customers who value what you offer. One client paying you $500 for a course beats getting a million views that earn you $3 in ad revenue. So here's how this actually works in practice. First, you figure out what transformation you can help people achieve. Maybe you help people get organized, learn a skill, or solve a specific problem. That becomes your main content focus. Second, you create search-friendly content around the problems your ideal customers are typing into YouTube. You are basically positioning yourself as the solution they are looking for. Third, and this is crucial, you capture those viewers' attention and move them off YouTube and onto your email list with a free resource. Because here's the thing, you don't own YouTube, but you do own your email list. Fourth, you nurture those email subscribers with more value while building trust, and eventually some of them become paying customers for your high value offerings. The creators making serious money aren't just hoping for viral moments, they are building systematic machines that consistently turn strangers into customers. Now, I'm not saying this is some get rich quick scheme where you make millions overnight, but what I'm saying is that if you focus on serving a specific audience with valuable content and something meaningful to offer them, you can start seeing real income way faster than the traditional wait for monetization approach. The difference between successful creators and everyone else isn't luck, it's strategy. They understand that YouTube isn't just a place to upload videos, it's a customer acquisition machine for their actual business. And if you are thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually scale this to real money? Well, I've got something that will blow your mind. Click this video to learn how making $1,000 per day on YouTube is actually way easier than you think. Trust me, once you see the numbers break down, you wonder why you ever stress about subscriber counts in the first place.